Hey YouTube, hope everyone's having a great weekend and hopefully everyone tuned in to the G20 Summit that was going on this weekend. Obviously, the big news was President Trump meeting with President Xi of China over dinner on the tariff issue and just kind of mediating that. So, good news came out of it. A final deal wasn't reached, but both sides did agree not to impose additional tariffs for 90 days, which is good to see. President Trump originally wanted to levy the current tariffs on the $200 billion goods from 10% to 25% starting in January, but that will be put off hold for now, which is awesome to see. Market is definitely liking that. Dow futures are up over 400 points. Today, as well as S&P futures up as well. So big green day in the market is being priced in tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. I do expect a little volatility, but investors obviously hopefully will come out winners out of this, especially those holding calls and stocks long term. So we'll see what happens, but good news in the market. Hopefully it will happen. So and like I mentioned, it's not a final deal, but it is kind of a stoppage of the current tariff escalation that's been going on. But we'll see if a final deal is reached within the next couple weeks and months. And yeah, hopefully that kind of removes a big roadblock in the market that's been kind of hanging for almost a year now, probably more, but good things coming out of it. So we'll see how everyone responds to that. So I'm definitely looking forward to tomorrow. Hope everyone is as well. Other than that, just kind of portfolio performance, any transactions I made. So I did sell 10 shares of Planet last week. I did lock in around a little over 100% gain on those initial 10 shares I bought late last year. So, kind of considering, just kind of locking in gains. Planet Fitness still 6% of my portfolio, but I did sell, those 10 shares as a stop limit. So, just to kind of have some cash available and just kind of keep building off positive momentum such as this. So nice gain there, and I did use some of that capital to purchase 5 more Activision shares. So my original cost basis was around $58 for this. It did dip under that $50 range, so I happened to buy 5 shares around at $49.45, so kind of near that low on Friday, and then it kind of went up. So I don't see Activision being this low. It's still kind of where we're valued compared to Take-Two Interactive and EA, but they're the largest video game maker, and a lot of good stuff going on. Their new Call of Duty is doing really well. Esports obviously generating a lot of momentum in the future. So we'll see. So 15 shares of Activision now, pricing a little over 8% of my portfolio. So other than that, no big changes. I did want to buy some QQQ calls, but those didn't get fulfilled in time. But can't complain. Still hoping that Match, Activision, my Square calls kind of go up over the next coming weeks. So we'll see what happens, but good week for me this week, up over 4%. Hopefully we can keep generating this positive momentum, into the new year. So, just G20 talks. Obviously market is closed Wednesday because of George H.W. Bush's death. So, keep that in mind as well. But good green week last week, and look forward to some green this week as well. So let me know what you guys are thinking. Are you guys aboard the hype train after this G20 meeting, or are you still buying puts and just shorting stocks? So hopefully it becomes better. Obviously both sides want to reach an agreement. These tariffs aren't working out for either side, and Obviously people trade with everyone across the globe, and we want open trade, but fair trade is obviously the big issue here, especially on the American side. So yeah, little over $9,000 portfolio. Looking for a great week. Maybe we'll crack 10,000 again. We'll see. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking, and hope everyone has a great week. So thanks for watching. Bye.